iguanas all around the world. Yung una po, tinatawag nating Galapagos marine iguana, also known as a swimming lizard. Pero, itong nandito ngayon, Sir Teo, siya po yung green iguana, also known as a bamboo chicken. Sila po ay native ng Paraguay, Mexico, and Central America. And apart from being a galactable food source, these guys are perfectly adaptable on life trees. As you can see, sir, meron silang mga long claws. Ginagamit po nila for climbing up. And of course, apart from the monkeys, sila lang po ang only animals na gumagamit ng buntot as their fifth limb. And since sila po ay from Civet Cat family, kasing amoy po sila ng popcorn or a distinction of pandan. Okay, this one requires, palakpakan po natin si ma'am in order to keep them. Okay, now these guys can measure from 13 up to 33 feet long, could weigh 500 up to 1,000 pounds. Hindi pa tayo tapos. And to make things fair, lipat naman natin. Ito naman yung head. Ito naman yung buntot. And one fascinating fact about python is they have a very poor eyesight. So how they can see their prey? Now underneath their jaw, they have a small holes or peeps, which are basically for scanners. And of course, yung kanilang fork-like tongue is a combination. This is the right time to talk about. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, these animals are here because they serve as ambassador for their own species and the environment that make up their home. They are here so that you could appreciate their beauties, their intelligence, and the dangers they face in their natural habitat. Now, we do hope that you enjoy this presentation on behalf of myself, the Baluarte staff, and of course, to our wonderful animal friends. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy your stay. Okay, see you around the park.